Imagine you're planning a beautiful garden, but you find out your favorite flowers need more sun than you thought. Do you give up on those flowers? No. You figure out how to make it work, right? Relationships can be a bit like that too, especially when your partner is super busy. Let's dive into how you can keep your relationship blooming, even if your partner always seems to be buzzing from one task to another. In a relationship, when one person is always busy, it can feel a bit lonely or frustrating sometimes. You might wish you could spend more time together, just relaxing or having fun. But being in a relationship with someone who has a packed schedule doesn't mean you can't have a wonderful connection. Here are some tips on how to make your relationship thrive, even when your partner is always on the go. 1. Talk about your feelings. First, it's super important to talk about how you feel. Let your partner know that you understand they have responsibilities, but that you also miss them and would love to spend more time together. Remember, it's not about making them feel bad for being busy, but about finding a solution together. 2. Plan your time together. Try to plan ahead. Maybe pick a day or even just a few hours each week when you both can spend time together without distractions. Mark it on the calendar like it's a super important appointment. This helps make sure that you both have something special to look forward to. 3. Be flexible. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Maybe your partner has an urgent meeting or a last-minute project. It's okay. Being flexible and understanding that things can change shows that you support them. Plus, it reduces stress for both of you. 4. Find joy in the little moments. Not every moment together needs to be a big adventure. Enjoying the little things like cooking a meal together or watching a favorite TV show can make you feel closer. These small moments can often mean just as much as the big gestures. 5. Keep yourself busy too. While your partner is busy, you can also find hobbies or activities you enjoy. This not only helps you grow as an individual but also makes your time together more interesting because you'll have new things to share and talk about. 6. Use technology to stay connected. When you can't be together, technology can be a big help. A quick text, a funny picture, or a short video can make you feel connected and loved. It's not the same as being together in person, but it shows you're thinking of each other. 7. Appreciate their efforts. When your partner does make time for you, show how much you appreciate it. Say thank you, give them a hug, or write them a little note. Feeling appreciated makes all the effort worth it. 8. Talk about the future. It's fun and important to talk about the future together. This shows that you both see this relationship lasting and growing, even if things are busy right now. Planning for a vacation or a big goal together can be really exciting. 9. Learn to enjoy your own company. Being happy with your own company is a superpower. Read books, try out new hobbies, or just relax. Loving your own company means you won't feel as lonely when your partner is busy. 10. Seek support when needed. If you're feeling really down about the situation, talking to friends, family, or even a counselor can be helpful. It's okay to seek support when you need it. Being in a relationship with someone who's always busy can definitely be challenging, but it doesn't have to be a deal breaker. Like the garden we talked about earlier, your relationship is something beautiful that you're creating together. It requires patience, understanding, and a little bit of planning. Keep communicating, cherish your time together, and continue growing as individuals. With these tips, you can make sure your relationship not only survives, but thrives, showing that even the busiest bee can make sweet honey when it comes to love. Just like that garden, nurturing a relationship with a busy partner takes care, love, and a little sunshine of joy and appreciation. Keep planting those seeds of understanding and watch your relationship grow beautifully.